scaring me. I'm not going to help you at all. Tell me what.
I'm going to blend it, blend. This is what? T-bone? No.
T-bone. T-bone.
Oh, this looks so scary. Oh, that's too much.
Guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to do the famous husband does my makeup challenge. And it's gonna be a lot of fun. I have a lot of makeup laid out over here. Confused Ratish.
कितने लोगों को करना है यार? So we have seen a lot of couples doing this challenge that inspired us, and let's see how it goes today.
Yeah, but please remember it's not a canvas, it's my face. So without any further ado, let us dive right into the video.
So she has many makeup videos on her Insta profile, so I see that a bit, and let's see if I have learned something out of it. So let's start.
Yeah, I'm not going to help you at all. Tell me what is the first thing that you're going to do. I have not done anything on my face, okay?
You look beautiful without the makeup.
But still you have to do it. You can't get away with it. So you have to start from scratch. And you have to make sure that the makeup is wearable.
So we have lot of breads. So we have lot of brushes over here. Now first we'll so your face is already clean, so I'm not going to use the solution or whatever it is called.
The toner. I have toned my face.
Yeah, okay, alright. So I will directly go with a foundation.
You're scaring me.
First we have to put the base.
So base is what?
So base is, let me see the products, okay? So
show it to them also.
Okay, alright.
What you're looking at.
So this is from Clinique and it says even better glow, light reflective makeup. So I'm not sure if this is the one which I have to go first. So
yeah, this is what you want to use first on my face.
So you have to help me a bit, okay?
No.
But otherwise it would be a mess.
Okay.
This is...
But before...
Okay, this is foundation, so I got the foundation.
I'm not going to moisturize my face.
Moisturizer, okay. Don't forget about that. Moisturizer. Alright, so I got the Clinique Moisture Surge.
Thank God.
Okay, so I will apply this first. Let's go for it. That should be enough. There is a brush for it, or no, I will go with my bare hands.
What is this?
Now this is just a moisturizer, right? So we don't have to be very professional in this. It just you have to push it inside the skin.
What is like painting it on my face? Don't pull my skin down.
No? Okay, like this?
Yeah, you have to lift it up.
Alright. That's the first step.
Now you have become a guru. Beauty guru. Okay, just walk me through what is the look that you're going for.
But recently we have seen this glow up series. I've learned something out of it. Let's see if I can use those tactics over here. That was really good series, guys.
Yeah.
You guys have to watch this glow up series. It's beautiful. We are done with the
You even forgot what you did.
What was it? Cleaning moisturizer. Okay, so we have moisture skin.
Okay.
So now we'll go with something glowy, basically foundation.
Okay.
So we have here Clinique Even Better Glow. I'm kind of going with a glowy skin.
Okay, is that what you're aiming for?
Yeah, let's go for it. Oops!
You're going to get negative marks for this. You messed my socks up. They were white socks, you've turned them brown.
I can directly apply, right? No?
You're putting it directly on my face with your hands? Okay.
So I have seen Ashna doing this. So let me go for this.
Is that much enough? Is that it?
No, I will take more than that. So I will put here only the darker portion of it, right?
Darker portion? You mean the dark circle? Then why are you putting it on my face?
I will create a base on your skin.
Just on my face?
Your nose.
Don't you think you're forgetting something?
Oh yeah, right. And we have two sponge over here. So I'm going to blend it, blend. But then which one to use for? This is pink, so I think this is for eyes and all. So I will use this.
You're poking me.
This is turning out to be good.
One eternity later.
Oh God, how long are you going to take for this? It will be forever.
No, blending is the key, you guys.
Okay.
Again, ekdam heroine.
The foundation लगा के heroine हो गई.
All right.
You're done?
You're done with the base?
You think your base
No.
is flawless?
No, you're not letting me to do it.
Oh, anything, huh? I have not even reacted at all.
Voila, voila.
How do you think I'm looking?
Hey, beautiful. Hey, beautiful. So next up, I'm going to cover dark spots. So we have here More Than Concealer. That's from L'Oreal Paris Concealer.
Oh, I like the way you showed it to the screen.
I've seen you showing it to them.
Is
So
it? No, I have to stay away.
no,
I
I
don't know
will
if
be
it's
very
obvious.
gentle with this.
Is it?
So we have. This is what T-bone? No.
T-bone? T-bone?
Section.
What?
What is it called?
T-zone.
Yeah, T-zone. Okay. Close your eyes.
First we have to damp the blender. It's not wet, it's all dry. First we have to damp the blender. It's not wet, it's all dry. I believe you're making me look like a ghost. Like a white ghost.
बेबी यार अब मैं कमर दर्द दे रहा है यार. बेबी यार अब मैं कमर दर्द दे रहा है यार.
You already, when we start of the video,
I can't imagine how girls does it for like 1 or 2 hours.
it doesn't take an hour or two. It's just 10-15 minutes.
I put here a lot.
You put everywhere a lot.
We are done with the blending.
Finally I'm sleeping.
See, it's flawless.
Is it? You
Yeah.
think so? I'm waiting to see the result.
Now what is it called to do that?
What is
Contour.
contour? Okay.
Contour.
Glow up and speed up.
बताओ ना.
Do it, I'm not gonna help you.
No, but I want you to be perfect, you know.
Okay.
I don't want to mess this. I think this is it.
This is it. What are you doing?
You should get that toned look, right? And
You're
then-
making me a joke. What are you doing? Well, stop it, yaar. ये क्या टिक्का है?
See, you're looking good. Do like this.
What like this?
You will see that perfect jawline. Maybe I can-
You're making my nose look like Pinocchio's nose.
That's how it should be.
Rubbish.
Next, face palette. Because obviously now I have to do the face. The foundation is done. Contour is done. And now I will go with the gleaming stones.
Okay.
Sephora. By Sephora. Now this will be done with this one.
Yeah, you're lucky just because I've not washed my brushes. Because I knew you were going to spoil it. And after this video, I'll wash them. Forgot a primer. I'll tell you later. Do what
Brushes should have that name.
name.
Right?
Yeah.
At
So that it
least.
is easier for you, right?
Please cooperate. That's it. Wow. Oh, that's too much. Next, we'll go with highlight on your nose.
Yeah, okay, I like that.
Oh.
Who puts it on the forehead?
Now, next would be eyes.
Oh my god, I'm scared.
Now, I have total confidence on this. First, we'll go with the eyebrows. I will go with brow power.
Okay, and the first thing that is correct.
Yeah, brow power. Yeah, brow power. This is from It Cosmetics. Your brow is done.
My brows are done.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, is it? Something is left. Now
Now-
we'll go with the eyes. 20 to eyeshadow precision. You have all over eyeshadow. Crease क्या है? Crease क्या होता है? But
You don't know what's a crease?
crease. I know what is crease, but then
What is crease?
that crease. Now my see this is crease.
So on your eye where there is crease.
Where is crease? On the top. Here.
Correct.
So I'm going to go with Mercury Retrograde by Huda Beauty. No, first I have to give you a smoky kind of look.
You're giving me smoke. Oh my god, I'm going to end up
that-
looking like a panda.
For that I need a black color.
Black color?
So there is another miniature palette from Sephora. So with that I am going to give her a smoky kind of look. Here we have the instructions, but then you know I know it.
Okay, you're just gonna wing it. Why
Why
are you reading it then? No, you're not allowed to
Alright,
read it.
okay. A little bit more. And then music, okay,
Stop reading it. Back is looking. बस हो गया.
No, take this. Yeah. Not sure. जब बेबी करो ना ऐसा यार, मेरा भी कमर ऐसा देख रहा हूँ मैं. Let me see. Close your eyes.
Don't poke me in my eye, Mama. Babe.
And then now.
Have you made dark circles under my eye? Oh my god, you're using multiple palettes.
Yeah, you know, professionals do that.
Yeah.
Which one do you like? Any preferences, or
No,
do I
no.
go with my own? इधर लगाते but इसको. Okay, on the top.
Is it anywhere close to smoky?
Yeah,
Yes.
a lot. Do curls now?
What curls? My hair?
No, this. No, I'm really scared because
Just
even
do-
this will poke your skin.
Yeah, that's
So,
what
so you,
happens.
please do it for me. Ooh, this looks so scary. Ooh, this looks so scary. So now I want the Cat Eye by L'Oreal Paris.
Baby, seriously आप liner लगा रहे हो?
मैं सब लाऊंगा. For your eyelashes, I will go for a, you know, cat eye look. So I'm going to use the liner, guys.
You're gonna mess up all
Those who
the...
don't know this, take some serious notes. I'm going to give you a winged eyeliner.
Baby, अगर खराब हो गया ना, there is no going back, okay?
Don't laugh. This.
Yeah, hold my eyelids. Not like this.
Then.
Do like this. The look on your face. Says it that you have messed it.
See, it's looking so nice.
Mm.
Show me. Show me that side. Precision is so nice.
हाँ, is it? अभी क्या टिकली लगा रहे हैं?
Can you close your eyes for a moment? And now there is a small freckle over here just because of the.
Oh, it's a freckle now. You can feel my eyelids are heavy.
Going for a mascara impact optimal by Clinique.
Thankfully, you have not picked up the waterproof mascara.
So is it nice or is it not nice?
Yeah, it's good. No,
It's
you
good.
didn't pick up that waterproof mascara. Or else, how would I remove it if it's messed up?
I don't want it to go to your skin, so please open your eyes.
If I open my eyes, it will go to my.
No, I don't want that.
I'm sure I'm looking like a panda with black eyes. Now what is left?
And I will need a plum red lipstick on you, so I will go for Huda Beauty's liquid matte
The shade is written down.
heartbreaker. Open. Don't laugh, it will spoil it, okay?
Don't let the lipstick touch it. Got your teeth.
Do like this.
Who does like this?
No. Do like this then. Do like.
How you
See?
gonna do? कैसे करूँ?
So I think it's done. You're looking really nice. Most beautiful girl in this.
This is it. Just because you did the
Just
makeup.
because the makeup artist. Alright, so I've remembered you have done some spraying on your face. This is the Dewy Finish NYX Cosmetic, long lasting.
Your makeup is gonna be set forever.
Where did it go? Where did it go? Where did it go? Where did it go? Look at that.
Is it? Are you ready for me to see
Yes.
it? Wait, first let us dry. Are you ready for me?
Look at you. You are looking so gorgeous. And tell me that I'm not a professional makeup artist. So guys, comment down if you like this.
Let me see it first. Oh my god, what have you done?
Chal. It's really nice and I really like it.
No,
Okay.
the lipstick is all pretty. But apart from that, the skin looks nice. You have done a good job. Let me give them a closer look. So guys,
Ooh, look at that smoky eyes.
so what is this? It's out of my lips.
Do you see that natural
What is
freckle?
natural? Oh, that's not natural at all. I must say you have done a good job.
This
It's
side
so broad. No, why and why is it going down?
So guys, what do you want to comment about it?
Honestly, I'm proud of you.
See, I told you, you should have faith.
I did trust you.
Yeah.
I did trust you and I did help you as well.
I don't
You
know.
didn't use the primer. My
You don't
pores,
need it, no? You don't
my
need
pores
it.
are all visible. If you would have used the primer, this would have been a show.
I will keep that in mind. Search now. Obviously,
Okay,
there is
okay.
like 100 of things on this table.
Okay, but yeah, you did a really good job and I'm really proud of you. So that's it guys, it was really fun.
Yes.
And I'm surprised how it's turned out to be so good. It's really not that bad and not looking like a joker.
No, obviously not. You
Nice.
yourself seen it, right?
But you've done a really good job.
Alright guys, so that was it. So if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. Hope you liked this video and we will be coming up with more challenges like this.
Let us know if there are any other challenges that you want us to do. We would really like to do them.
Hope you guys are liking it and yeah, enjoy.
We'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.
Bye guys. ये देख मतलब seriously तेरे को पता है किसने किया ये? Oh my God. हाँ रतीश ने किया ये मेकअप. यहाँ से लिपस्टिक भी बाहर चली गई. क्या ये बोलते स्मोकी है, स्मोकी कुछ भी नहीं दिख रहा है.
नहीं स्मोकी तो प्यारा किया.